Tile giant Kajaria Ceramics has just announced its Q2 FY2025 results, and the numbers are shining bright, profits up, revenues growing, and company has announced 8 rupees interim dividend for shareholders. Welcome back to the channel. If you are tracking Indian market movers or looking for strong Q2 performers, Kajaria's later quarter might just catch your eyes. Total income stood at 1,100.91 crore rupees, up from 1,025.96 crore rupees in the previous quarter and 1,080 crore rupees last year. After tax, net profit came in at a solid 120.72 crore rupees, showing a 21% quarter-on-quarter and 30% year-on-year growth. Earnings per share also climbed to 7 rupees and 58 paise, up from 5 rupees and 83 paise a year ago. Dividend announcement. And the icing on the cake, the company has declared an interim dividend of 8 rupees per share, payable to shareholders eligible on or before the 24th of October 2025. So, a solid quarter for Kajaria Ceramics, growing profits, stable margins, and rewarding shareholders at the same time. What do you think about Kajaria's Q2 performance? Will the stock continue its upward trend? Drop your views in the comments. If you found this update useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick earnings breakdowns and market updates.